I'm building an empire, I'm telling you.
Dang it, I'm in the middle of this thing for fall up right now. Why?
I'm about to listen to Fall Out Boy.
She's mean. I want to listen to it. I want to listen to it, man. Media. It doesn't let you play music.
What? No? I'm just really... Okay, look at the floor, I'm telling you. As in the, you know, Rockland. And the Brooklyn Bridge. Brooklyn Bridge is really nice. It is, I don't know.
Hey, it's
Oh my god. Rich people.
Yeah, she's trying to show off.
Yeah. I'm sorry this way, I'm so outdated. You had a child? What does it say?
I just put my first line in here. They did like a store like they have all these things.
That's weird. I guess. You mean first time for everything, right? I always wanted like someone to look over here, so I would leave. I had this really scary passenger last night. I'll show you right now. I took a picture. On my plane.
That's your plane.
I have like 7. I have 7. Look. These are all my planes. And that one's out of duty. And that's their costumes. No. Only if I want to. Not to pay for it. Like I was playing with it and then this came on. And I got scared.
Yeah. Yo, this our stop, y'all. Stop.
Hey,
Like,
Big Pat is speaking.